5:52 p.m. MDT Mar 15, 2024 tonight. Patchy fog after 10 p.m. Otherwise, mostly cloudy, with a low around 24. Northwest wind 5 to 7 miles per hour becoming southwest in the evening. Saturday, patchy fog before 9 a.m. Otherwise, mostly sunny, with a high near 45. West-southwest wind 6 to 8 miles per hour becoming north in the afternoon. Saturday night, mostly cloudy, with a low around 28. West wind 6 to 8 miles per hour. Sunday, mostly cloudy, with a high near 47. North wind 6 to 9 miles per hour. Sunday night, mostly cloudy, with a low around 27. North wind 5 to 9 miles per hour becoming southwest after midnight. Monday, sunny, with a high near 57. Monday night, mostly clear, with a low around 32. Tuesday, sunny, with a high near 61. Tuesday night, mostly clear, with a low around 35. Wednesday, mostly sunny, with a high near 62. Wednesday night, partly cloudy, with a low around 36. Thursday, mostly sunny, with a high near 63. Thursday night, a slight chance of rain. Partly cloudy, with a low around 35. Friday, a chance of rain. Partly sunny, with a high near 61.